Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
It might be hard to believe, but every single video and animation you're seeing here was created entirely with Google AI Studio and the powerful VEO 2 model, completely free, without spending a single cent. With the rise of AI video generators, there's no more need for complicated software, advanced technical knowledge, or expensive hardware. And forget about those long, costly rendering times. In this amazing tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a cinematic video or a professional animation using just a few simple clicks and the incredible power of AI. Since in this tutorial we're going to use Google AI Studio, I recommend having a Google account, like a Gmail address, already logged into your browser to make the process smoother and avoid any issues during login and usage. First, I typed Google AI Studio into the Google search engine. As you can see, the first link is for the official Google AI Studio website. I click on it to enter the main page of this tool. Upon entering Google AI Studio, a service terms and policy agreement is displayed, which we accept by clicking Accept. Now we are inside Google AI Studio. The Google AI Studio platform is constantly evolving. At the time of this recording, the content of this tutorial is fully accurate and usable. However, it's possible that changes in the interface or workflow may occur in the near future, and some parts might look a bit different. But don't worry, I actively follow the latest updates and share updated tutorials on my channel, Iman Global. So if you want to stay up to date with the newest features and changes, make sure to follow the channel. In the top right corner of the website, you have access to your profile icon, account switcher, and the sign out option. Next to your profile, there is a settings button, where you can switch the interface color between light and dark mode. Google AI Studio offers various features like image generation and even editing, but to create videos, we select the Video Gen option from the left-hand menu. The panel changes, and now we see the prompt panel. In the first step of creating a video in Google AI Studio, we need a prompt. A prompt is basically our idea, written in text format, and the AI uses this prompt to generate a video for us. The more complete the prompt is, describing things like the scene's elements, the exact appearance and angles of characters, the layout, camera angles and movements, color schemes, and the overall emotion in the scene, the better the AI can understand our vision and produce a video that's closer to what we imagined. To enter the first prompt, I click inside the box. A message appears saying grant drive access. I click confirm. In the next window, I select the account I want to use for storing the videos, and the process continues. In this tutorial, we're going to test 3 different prompts. I've already prepared one prompt, and I paste it into the prompt box. The idea behind this prompt is a red Lamborghini speeding at maximum velocity along a rainy mountain road. Let's see how Google AI Studio generates this video, and whether it understands the elements we have in mind. Now let's move on to the Run Settings section, located in the right-hand panel. When we want to create a video using AI, we need to tell the model how to generate the video for us. The Run Settings section is exactly where these configurations are done. Let's go through the options together one by one. Right away, you can tell that this panel doesn't seem fully developed. There's definitely room for improvement, and if Google AI Studio continues to evolve, this panel is surely one of the areas that will see updates and changes. The first part of Run Settings contains a drop-down menu where we select the model that will generate the video. For now, VEO 2 is our only available option. This model is one of Google's newest and most powerful AI models for video generation and is capable of producing highly realistic and visually impressive videos. In the future, more models may be added, but currently, only VEO 2 appears in the list, which suggests that new versions are likely on the way. A little further down, we have the number of results option. This setting determines how many video variations the model will generate. For example, if it's set to 1, only one video will be created. If you set it to 2, it will generate 2 different versions of the same idea, and you can choose the better one. It's worth noting that currently, we can only choose between 1 and 2 as our output options. Now let's move on to the aspect ratio option. This refers to the shape or format of the video. you'll typically have two choices: 16 by 9, which is horizontal and mainly used for YouTube, laptops, or TVs, and 9 by 16, which is vertical and perfect for Instagram stories, TikToks, or other mobile platforms. The best choice depends on where you plan to publish your video. Since I create long-form YouTube content, 16 by 9 in horizontal format works best for me. The next section is video duration. Here you specify how many seconds long the generated video should be. Interestingly, right now there are a few fixed options like 5, 6, 7, and 8 seconds. The longer the video, the more realistic and immersive it can feel, but it also takes more time to generate. Choosing this value depends on the subject and purpose of your video. Now we come to a setting called frame rate, which means how many frames per second the video will have. This number shows how many still images are played per second to form the video. A frame rate of 24 frames per second is a cinematic standard and makes movements in the video appear smooth and natural. Currently, when I hover over this drop-down list, it is inactive and fixed at 24, and it shows a coming soon label, meaning more options are expected to be added in future updates, which is great news. So for now, the model automatically sets this value and we can't change it. Another important setting is the video quality or resolution. This option tells us the resolution of the final video, such as HD, Full HD, or higher. At the moment, only 720p, which is HD, is available, and like the frame rate, this option is also locked. When I hover over this list, I again see coming soon, suggesting that higher resolutions like 1080p or even 4K may become available in future versions. The last option we see here is negative prompt. This is a very useful feature. If you want something not to appear in your video, you can write it here. For example, if you don't want any people in the video, you can write people. If you don't want text or logos to show up, just write text or logo. This way, the model clearly understands what to exclude and delivers a more accurate result. The AI will ignore everything mentioned in this section while generating the video. Alright, now that we've completed the settings on the right side of the screen, it's time to start creating the video. In the bottom right corner of the text box, you'll find the blue Run button. Let's click on it. We wait for a few moments, and after a short time, the result will appear right here. First, I enlarge the video size and then hit play to preview it. The result is incredible. Every element I had envisioned in my idea has been generated by the AI, and the quality is quite impressive. It's truly amazing. What I once imagined is now alive, right in front of my eyes. It's hard to believe. Even after working with so many different AI tools, I still can't fully grasp or digest it. What about you? In the lower right corner of the video frame, there's a download button. I click on it, and as you can see, the video is downloaded instantly. By clicking the Export to Drive option, a copy of this video gets saved to my Google Drive account, so I can always access it later. From the left menu, I click on the History option. On the My Files page, if we click on the Drive folder option, we get access to the archive of all the videos we've created. It's worth noting that Google AI Studio temporarily keeps the most recent video after generation, but the version saved through Export to Drive will remain permanently stored. I repeated the video generation process with the same prompt and got a different result. Again, I enlarged the video size and hit play to review it. The new result is also outstanding. Have you ever thought about how many tools, resources, hardware, and crew would be needed in the real world to create a scene like this? And yet here we are, with just a few clicks, and we've got a Hollywood-style scene. Next to the Run button, there's an option to add input items. I click on it. As you can see, there are various methods for adding images to the prompt, such as directly uploading a picture or capturing one with a camera. Of course, this feature is currently disabled for general users, but it seems Google is preparing this section. I suspect the image-to-video feature will soon be added to this AI video tool. At least the presence of these options in the interface is a strong hint. Earlier, we tested generating a machine-based scene, but now it's time to see how the AI handles human characters and emotional expression in video generation. To do this, I delete the previous prompt and paste in a new one that I had prepared earlier. This idea is about a cheerful, smiling female clown with big, playful eyes and Joker-style makeup. Just like before, without changing anything, and using the exact same settings I explained earlier, I click the Run button from the bottom right corner of the box. Now the prompt is sent for processing, and after a brief analysis, the final result will be ready. And here comes the exciting part. At first glance, the result is truly surprising. I enlarge the video display and click play to review it together, and I have to say, the output is beyond my expectations. Almost every detail I had imagined has been implemented with great accuracy and completely acceptable quality. From the cheerful and smiling expression of the character to her big, playful eyes and even the Joker makeup, everything is exactly how I pictured it. The AI has impressively understood and executed these details. To save the video, I click the download button in the lower right corner of the video frame. As you can see, the video downloads very quickly. Now, by clicking Export to Drive, I save a copy of the video to my Google Drive account so I'll always have access to it. I delete the previous prompt and paste in a new one I had written beforehand. The idea is about a cute and adorable little octopus adventuring underwater, designed for a children's cartoon, something cheerful and heartwarming for kids. Without touching any of the settings, just like before, I click the Run button from the lower right corner. The prompt enters the processing queue, and after a few seconds of analysis, the output is ready. Right now, I have a feeling we're in for a sweet surprise. I enlarge the video size and press play to begin watching, and I have to say, it's absolutely amazing. The output completely captures the mood of a Pixar or Disney-style animation. The colors, movements, character design, and even the facial expressions of that cute little octopus have all been produced with incredible precision and stunning quality. It's hard to believe we're working with an AI model. I'm truly blown away by how Google AI Studio and the VEO 2 model have brought this whimsical idea to life in such a vibrant and engaging way. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button. Small gestures like that help keep me motivated to create more tutorials. And if you think this video might be useful to your friends or people around you, feel free to share it. It might just open a new door into the world of AI for someone else. And if you're interested in the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, make sure to follow the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new tutorials. There's a wide range of exciting content on the way that I'm sure you'll find valuable. AI isn't just a passing trend, it's the future. And what better way to embrace it than together, starting right now.